Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Last night we got that floor brace installed inside the car, so now all the floor braces on the back half of the vehicle here are done. Now I'm gonna drill some spot welds, and I'm gonna start getting this back corner right here done and situated. So I'm gonna drill some holes, we're gonna do some spot welds, and then I can take the self tappers out, and we can weld up the holes from that, and just try and make it one piece here without the self tappers holding everything together. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Be right back. Apparently I'm getting a phone call. Okay, I'm back. That was a very important phone call, and a phone call that I have been waiting for a very long time. Trying to get one of my cars back from where I was storing it. So hopefully the next phone call I get will be tomorrow morning saying that it's on the trailer and on the way here. So fingers crossed. Okay, no more sheet metal screws. It's all one piece. Okay, I got it all welded up. It's all ground down. I gotta draw out some spot welds or grind out some spot welds right here and remove the lower section of the quarter that's still here, so I can finish welding that up. And then it's prepped for the new quarter as well. Okay, we're getting closer. Happy days, happy days.
Oh, Hercules, 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 Hercules.
I'm gonna call it right now for this. I'll come back later and reassess the situation and see where we're gonna go. Like I said, I gotta get that lower quarter piece off, and then I gotta clean up a couple areas in the floor and make a couple pieces before we actually put the floor pan back in. So that'll probably be next. So thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. I'm out.